and Jane for smoking. First thing at dawn, you'd cue the songs and we get going.
Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Thank you for joining me today here in beautiful Texas. We just saw the eclipse. Wonderful, wonderful. Now we're going to learn Austin. Really fun, beginner dance, just a little fast. Of the steps from the top. Right heel, left heel, touch side, flick, touch side, back and lasso, lasso, grapevine to the right with a clap, grapevine to the left with a clap, double heel and double toe and toe, heel and toe, heel and pivot, pivot, jazz box. Yes. Okay, let's break it down. First 8. Right heel, left heel, touch side, touch front, slap your boot, touch side, touch back, slap your boot. Your right foot's free to do a half pivot and a half pivot with a lasso. So we get our arm up, lasso, half pivot, lasso, half pivot. Yes, that's the first 8. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Second 8. We're going to grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left. So grapevine to the right, and instead of just touching, we're going to jump up and clap. Clap. We're going to do the same thing to the left side. Side, behind, together, and clap. With counts, second 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Third 8. Double heel right, double heel left, then a toe, heel, and a left toe, heel. Left foot's free. It's a double right and a double left and a toe, heel and a toe, heel. Awesome. With counts, third 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Awesome. Fourth 8. Your left foot's free. So we're going to turn, instead of pivoting to the right, now we're going to pivot with our left foot over our right shoulder. So step half pivot and a step half pivot. Left foot still free. So we can either jazz box in place and keep it a one wall dance, but it's more fun to do a quarter jazz box turn over our left shoulder with our left foot starting, so that it now becomes a 4 wall dance. So jazz box with a turn. And the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can jump there if you want. Jump. So those are the steps. Let's put it together from the top with words and then with counts. Heel and touch, flick, pivot, lasso, grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left, and double heel and toe, heel and turn, lasso turn and jazz box. Yes. All right, let's do it with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Have fun with this line dance called Austin.